Knight, and I am the health coach for Employee Health Center. Welcome to our Wellness Wednesday series, Healthy Cooking Essentials. Cooking at home can seem daunting, but it can improve your health and save you money in the long run. This series will go through a variety of kitchen gadgets and essentials that can make cooking at home easier. Today's tool is the Spiralizer. This is a great tool that can turn vegetables such as carrots, sweet potatoes, butternut squash, and zucchini into noodles. By doing so, you can reduce your pasta consumption, maybe lower your carb intake, and it can help boost your vegetable intake. The unit I have today is the KitchenAid Spiralizer. This Spiralizer, because it's a KitchenAid attachment, is a little bit more expensive at around $65, but you can get much cheaper versions for as little as $10. You can get handheld manual crank versions, or you can get automatic electric versions. You can also get a variety of blades that helps cut at different sizes and different spirals. You can even use the Spiralizer to spiralize apples and pears for dessert toppings or parfait toppings. And it's just great to help you eat healthier overall. Thanks so much for joining me today, and we will see you next week on Healthy Cooking Essentials.